Hello, I'm John Isley, and I'd like to welcome you to the online section of JTC 335, Introduction to Digital Photojournalism. The course was developed in 2017 by Larry Stewart, and you'll literally hear his voice in the course as you go through the materials. Due to a long-term illness on his part, I'll be your instructor this semester. If you need to, you can get in touch with me several ways. You can message me in Canvas, email me, call my office, or if you're on campus, feel free to stop by my office in C115 Hartshorn. I have suckers. Maybe time to go shopping. If you're making a special trip, call or email me to make sure I'm here. I'm out on assignment a lot, and I can be a moving target. If my door's open, I'll make time for you. If it's just cracked, come on in. It's kind of noisy out in the hall. What you don't want to do is use the comment section of Canvas. I don't get notified that the message is there, and I'm likely to miss it completely. Now a little bit about me. I'm a staff photographer here at CSU full-time. You've no doubt seen my work all over campus, in hallways, in Facebook, in recruiting materials. As a university photographer, I'm one of the last of the true generalists. My assignments here cover everything from athletics to zoology, often both on the same day. Before discovering university work in 2000, I was a magazine photographer, mostly covering federal policy on the staff of National Journal magazine in Washington, D.C. I've been teaching the in-person section of this class for several years. I will confess this is my first online course. If I miss something, please feel free to give me a holler, and we'll learn this part together.